Okay, let's talk about the app settings. If you click here on the left side, or if you're on the app builder, you click on the left side, the settings, you're going to have the app information, okay? And it's going to have things like the name, the author, description, branding. You can choose an emoji or you can upload a logo. Deployment is where you set up your subdomain if you don't have a custom domain, so you can set it up here. However, it will not work until you publish the app, when you publish it here, okay? If you want to have your own custom domain, there is instructions here. If you click on it, it will open a GPT that basically you put the name of your host, of your registrar, and it will give you exactly the step-by-step how to do it, how to set it up to have the custom domain here. And then you add your domain or subdomain here. The next thing is visibility. So there's a few things here. Not all of them are fully working. Build on Makyo is basically going to show, you see like a button here, build on Makyo. Prompt is basically going to ask people to install. It's not going to show anything here, but it's going to show it on the public app. Basically asking people to install the app. This is a progressive web application. And the cookie consent, I don't believe it's finished yet, so you can just ignore it for now. If you have a right to left kind of app, you can just choose it and it will make it right to left. We don't fully support languages, although we have most of the foundation done. But right now, you can definitely use right to left. Privacy and authentication this is what happens when people access, let's say, a page that is unauthorized. So then it will take them to the homepage, or you can ask it to take it to somewhere else. Same thing with what happens when they log out. This is where it's going to take them. What happens when they are logged in? This is where it's going to take them. We already talked about the user table. There's another video. Here you have some authentication options, like who can log in to the app. Right now it's a valid email basically for private pages, but there are other options. You can play with it, see what works for you for this app. Here you have API keys. It's very important if you are going to do any communication with other apps or basically anything else on the web. You need your API key. So you're going to generate an API key, generate one. You can choose the tables, okay, that you need. We're going to make a more comprehensive video about this one. You're going to choose the tables, and then it's going to give you all the information you need to give or you need to use basically to connect with the tables in Makyo. But there's going to be a more comprehensive video. If you want to get started, let me know. We'll create the video quicker. That's it. Thank you.